Hello, this is Priscilla Batzell. I'm in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Fluid Art Studio with a 10 by 10 inch canvas and some Maiden Black paint, which is not coming out terribly fast. And I'm going to wing it. I've got some Chantilly lace coming out better than that Maiden did, and some Decor Americana 24 karat gold, which I'm about to have to mix some more of, I think. Let that spread all over if I can. I see there's something in there. Gotta come out. See if I can get any more black to come out by squeezing harder. And then I've got leftover paint from my last painting, stage 1 in fact. But I didn't grab an edge catcher. I must have one handy somewhere. Whoop. Wow. That's a first. Look what you're doing, woman. 5 years and I never did that. Alright, here are my beautiful colors. And I'm just going to try and let them slide. And all those colors are still handy for me, so I can always add more. I could even scrape that off, which I really intend on doing. Should have grabbed a spatula first. Probably going to drag a skewer through here at least, although I do have those little nail art tools. And I am on a turntable, even though I haven't spun anything in a long time. I'm wondering if I've got a comb handy, and I have one of these handy. I am going to need an edge catcher though, if I want to tip that. I'm throwing that in the bucket. I used to have a whole bunch. I think I want the color I didn't put in the last, and that's the Burnished. Oh, it's a burnt orange. And because I'm right here and I've got this true silver, I think I'm going to use it. Also have some of the Payne's Gray, and I think I want that too. I found my edge catcher. It was right there, right next to me the whole time. I'll go across. It's good if you don't have a gap in the center. I'll just keep picking and choosing my trajectories and hope for the best. Until I see what's what, I'm not going to worry about what's happening. I bet it's going to be pretty cool. I'm still attracted to the idea of using some turquoise. Still need that. I need those two corners, and if I let some paint go on the edge catcher, I can always remove it with my silicone spatula. But I really like what I'm seeing, and I don't want to do it. I'm going to do it anyway. But that does mean I'm going to have to take paint off that edge and make a mess. So let's just grab that paint. Try not to put it over anything that I really love. Might as well grab the rest of it, right? You can find these OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatulas on my Amazon link on the link tree underneath the video. You can also find 3,400 videos on playlists. 34 playlists. This is pretty cool. Almost messed it up there. Good thing to do with leftovers. That's really beautiful. Alright, I've got 1 minute left. Well, I've got more than that, but I gotta go to dinner. I'm gonna be cold late for dinner if I don't go. I'll probably use a torch. Try not to dump the painting for the audience. So I will shimmer this at you, but I kind of like to tip it one more time before I go. Because I know there's enough paint on there. Yeah, that's gorgeous. It's a painty mess, but it's gorgeous. Very agate-y. I'll use whatever my leftovers are to touch up any edges that I have. And I'll shimmer this at you now. And then I'll wash my hands because they're very painty, and that's unusual for me. I don't usually allow myself to get too awful messy. But I really like how that tool worked out. Oh. That's a beautiful thing. Thank you for joining me. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for watching longer. It speaks to the YouTube algorithm. My email address is easpbgallery and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com if you'd like to inquire about taking a class with me at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, one-on-one, or purchasing an artwork. Linked here, you'll find promo codes for Colourarte products and pixel paint designs, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, a couple of my websites, my Amazon link. Volumes 1 and Volumes 2 of my books are on the Amazon link, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, the first and the second 100 videos I made for YouTube. Questions are welcome and encouraged. My community board will show you tomorrow's video at around 2 p.m. hopefully. I'll do something else. Thank you. Thank you to all my patrons. Thank you to the members. Thank you to those of you who use PayPal to make a donation to keep me painting. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys endlessly, and you inspire me always. My paint pouring recipes below show more, and I have 34 playlists of 100 videos each, and everything's organized by topic and genre. If you need anything, don't forget, ask questions. It's fine. Thank you for being here. Bye for now. Priscilla out.